I hope you all are safe and secure at your places. So today I am going to explain about our product OFBP Gold 2.0, which is a specially designed billing printers for jewelry segment. So the reason behind this product is we should not go for a bulky devices system, CPU or UPS. Rather we can bought a OFBP Gold 2.0, which is compact in size and able to print as faster than the systems or the thermal printers we do. So it's for specially designed for the jewelry segment. So it's a Wi-Fi enabled service is there. You can see the router there. So by this you can print A4 size printer through laser printers. In this device we can print 3-inch billing prints. So today I am going to show you how the prints happen in this web billing printers and how fast it is doing. So just look on this. In the right side there is the switch option. So I open this machine. Then it asks for a login ID and password. Then it asks for item number, the customer. So I have installed some data in this. So items are pre-installed in this. So I will choose item number 1, that is a gold chain, and the price is 10,000. So I have put before. Then the weight is I will take that 2 gram gold chain. Enter. Then it asks for a labor charge. So I put in per gram. So we all know that the labor charges are calculated by per gram of the gold. So I will take 200 per gram labor charges. Enter. Purity, I will say my gold chain is 90% pure. So it asks for a stone. If it's a gold chain have a pendant, like stone is there in the pendant, so I will add a pendant or a stone in this one. So weight of that pendant or stone is 1. I need 1 piece. Save and continue. If you want more products into the basket, it's save and exit if you want only one product. Then the discount if you want to give, else you can put 0. Pieces 1 gold chain I need. So then I go wait for the print option. So there is a print option there. I will wait for the print option. Then it will show estimate bill or final bill. You can go for the estimate bill and show the customers that this is your value of this product. Then you can directly go to the final bill, or else you can go to the final bill directly. So I went to the final bill for the customer. Then I will wait for the bill to the customer or next mode. In bill to customer, you can add your customer's name, address, phone number, and you can make a record, or simply you can go to the next mode and take the amount from the customer and give the bill to the customer. So just see how fast the bill is coming. So just have a look at this. So it's a 3-inch bill from OFBP Gold 2.0. The logo, you can put your company's logo there in the billing. And I have took your ownership. There's a bill number 1, today's date, timing, and serial number 1, gold chain, the HSN code, rate is 10,000, weight is 2 gram. Just look on this. Labor charges is 400. It's a 2 gram gold chain, 200 per gram, 400 the labor charges. Purity percentage is 90. So about the stones, it's 5,000 for 1 stone. Hallmark charges I have added, you can disable that also, 50 rupees. So in total amount 23,450. So in this way you can get the calculation like net weight, gross weight and pure weight is there. So net weight is your 2 gram gold chain, gross weight is 2 gram gold chain plus 1 gram stone, and the pure weight is 1.8 gram because your gold is 90% pure. So 2 into 90% pure is 1.8 gram pure weight. So 1.8 into 10,000 plus your stone charges, hallmark charges and labor charges. So in total it will come 23,450. So over that, we all know that the gold has some CGST and SGST value. So it's 5% divided by 2.5%. So it came around 920 rupees. So in total it's 24,370, and the round of value you can do 1. So the customer gave you 25,000. You have the balance amount is 630. You have to give it. Thank you. Visit again. So this is a normal bill I have calculated. So many more features is there, and you can do calculate automatically bill from this. So this is the feature of YBP Gold. So it's not less than any system or any software devices. It's a compact in size and easy to bill print, and makes your time safe and efficient to your customer service in your jewelry shop. So you can go for a demo order, you can buy a product in a reasonable price. Thank you.